Hello kids. Today we are going to see 5th class maths 16th chapter patterns. So before going to the topic, let us see what is a pattern. A repeated form or design, especially that is used to decorate something, as a pattern. Means something, if you draw a design, repeat the same design continuously, that is nothing but a pattern. So if you take some sari border or sari design something, so it will be in certain pattern. Okay, the design will be repeated, so that is a pattern. Suppose if you draw a rangoli, that also in some pattern will be drawing. Okay, means some repeated form will do, so that is nothing but a pattern. Okay, so pattern is nothing but which is a design repeating. Okay, which repeats continuously, there is a pattern. Look in your textbooks, patterns. One day, Sharada and Srikar went to the market. They saw some saris in a shop. The saris had beautiful borders with lovely patterns. Look at some of the patterns in the borders. In this patterns, the blue color shape, that is hexagon 6 sides, is repeating itself continuously. See, in next pattern, two shapes are repeated alternatively. Okay, next do this. Extend the border patterns given below and state the rule for each. So two patterns are given here. So first one, you can see triangles are repeated continuously. Okay, so extend also you draw triangles. In B bit, two shapes are given. Okay, those are repeated alternatively. Okay, you draw continue drawing for that also. One is hexagon, other one is two triangles, up and down triangles are there. Okay, now make more patterns using these shapes. Okay, triangle, square and hexagon. You can use 1, 2 or all three shapes in one pattern. Here few models I'll show for example. Okay, other patterns you try to do yourself. Okay, see here I've used three shapes in different patterns. See, in first pattern I have used only square and triangles. Okay, I have taken two triangles. Okay, next in the second pattern I have taken hexagon and a square. Okay, so I have drawn two patterns. You try to draw more patterns using these three shapes. You can take three shapes also in a pattern. Okay, next activity, paper chains. Take a long thin strip of paper, fold it like a fan, draw a doll on the folded paper like shown. Cut along the dark lines. Now open it and observe. So this one I've done practically. You can see it here and you also try to do this. Take a paper. Now fold it like a fan. After folding, draw any shape. Here we are taking doll. Okay, doll shape and cut it. After cutting, open it. Now observe the pattern. Okay, this is the paper chain. So it will be like this. See, same pattern is repeated continuously. Okay, so like this you also try to make different patterns with paper. Okay, so here I am showing few other patterns. See, I have cut into heart shape, so you'll be getting paper heart chain. Okay, and next one more pattern also I have tried. See this leaf pattern. So like this you also try to make different patterns with paper. Patterns that rotate and repeat. Now let us learn about some other types of patterns. Extend the patterns given below and also write the rule. A, it is repeated continuously. Okay, the leaves shape is whatever the shape is, that is repeated continuously. B also same thing, it is repeated continuously. Okay, now make 2 more patterns using the same block. So you can draw 2 more patterns like this. Okay, now look at this pattern. How will you extend this pattern? If you see carefully, you will find that the leaves turn by an equal amount till they complete a circle. Look at this picture and understand the movement of leaves better. Each turn is 1/4 part of the entire circular rotation. So you can see here, okay, the pattern is how is the pattern? The leaves are turned 1/4, okay, 1/4 rotation it is taking. And next leaf is again 1/4 rotation, and another leaf again 1/4. So like this it is completing one circle. Okay, look at the leaves in this pattern, they are repeatedly taking half turns. Okay, next pattern they are taking half turns. You can see one leaf is edges upside, other next leaf edges downside, like that. Okay, repeatedly they are taking half turns. Now carry forward this pattern and identify the turn that is being taken. What is the difference between this pattern and the pattern given right above it? So next pattern, what is there? You can see edges below, next pattern edges above. So what is the difference between this pattern and previous pattern? Same, half turn. Okay, both are taking half turn. Okay, next look at this pattern. Here the leaves is repeatedly making less than 1/4 turn. Okay, look at the picture and understand the movement of leaves better. Each turn is 1/8 part of the entire circular rotation. So right side you can see the leaves how pattern, okay, how they are turning, how much they are turning. Okay, it is 1/8 part of the entire circular rotation. Okay, total rotation, for total rotation it is taking only 1/8 part of rotation. Okay, the pattern is like that. Do this. Look at the patterns given below. Tick the block that will come next and identify the turns that are being taken in each case. Okay, I'll solve few in this. First one they have already given half turn. Okay, so the pattern which one will come next, 1 or 2? That is 1. Okay, similarly C, D, E, everything I've done here. 1/4 turn, half turn, 1/8 turn. Other two you try to do yourself. Okay, and in next video we'll continue the next part. Bye kids.